Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. No matter how the adventure unfolds, you are ready for it with the versatility of this Avalanche. It comes with great features you'll love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.